Okay, so this is it. We're on our way to Deadhorse, Alaska. Got quite a bit of gear. Pretty loaded down, camping all the way, hopefully. Unless it rains. It was raining this morning, so it delayed me a tiny bit, but here we go. I don't know how far I'll get today. Hoping the Saskatchewan border, but that was with an earlier departure. Okay, I've been on the road for 12 and a half hours, put on 1,060 kilometers, and we just hit Saskatchewan. We got a little bit more to go. We're going to go to Yorktown, which is, if I can see the sign from here, 85 more kilometers or so. Okay, it's Saturday, July 27th, 2013. We made it to Alberta so far. Put on, this is day 2, put on about just over 600 kilometers so far. We're at Lloydminster, just outside. Okay, this is day 4 of my Alaskan adventure. It's turned into a nice day after running nearly 3,100 kilometers in the rain and cold and wind. We finally reached Northwest Territories. It's about the only sight along this highway so far. I haven't seen any wildlife. As you can see, people are swatting bugs. Black flies are pretty bad. This is the Alexandra Falls in Northwest Territories. It's along the Highway 1 just before Hay River. I believe this might be the Hay River. Okay, now we've come up on a whole herd of buffalo. Okay, so you can see through all the black flies. I don't know if this will show it good enough, but there's a forest fire over there. Burning pretty good. I think it's burning away from the road. I haven't seen any planes. I think they're just letting it burn. So I've stopped here at the North Arm Territorial Park, Great Slave Lake. 115 or so kilometers short of Yellowknife, Northwest Territories. That's the lake down there on my bike. Little park. If we look just down the highway a bit, there's a small herd of buffalo. One standing up, the rest laying down. Okay, so it's July 30th. The sun is finally out. This is what the Laird Highway has done to my bike. It rained on me early start of the highway, and it's just a mess. So we've come across all these spots where the forest fires across the road. Fire. You can still feel the heat from the ground. The main part of this fire is long gone. These are just all the hot spots that the crews are putting out. I still got 300 kilometers to go until Fort Laird, where I can get gas. I'm going to bypass Fort Simpson, where normally everybody goes off the road about 60 clicks, get gas, come back. I'm carrying 15 extra liters of gas. I should be able to get 600 kilometers. So hopefully things go good. Now this is day 6 of my Alaska journey. We're nearing Muncho Lake in northern BC. Semi-decent day today. Started out with fog. Left Fort Nelson, BC, heading for Watson Lake, and then Whitehorse. Yukon later this afternoon. This is the signpost forest in Watson Lake, Yukon. There's more signs than you can even count. Day 8 of my Alaskan adventure. We're on the Alaskan highway, still in the Yukon. We're nearing the U.S. border into Alaska. It's been a nice day so far. It started out pretty cold, +5°C, chilly. Got to put the electrics and extra jacket on, but I'm good. Scenery's been a little better. microphone on camera because I unplugged the external mic because it hasn't been working the last 2 days. It's getting really annoying. But running east on the Denali number 8 highway. Crossing from Cantwell, Alaska to Paxton, Alaska. About 135 miles of gravel road. See if I can get a better view here. Yeah. We crossed the Susatina River. That's it in the distance. Finally getting sunny out. Hopefully it stays that way for a while. We're near Tuk, Alaska, and a little bit of forest fire action. Nothing spectacular. Looks like it's burning all over the place. Near Laird Hot Springs.